Hi, this is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going through this chunky boy that I literally just finished. And by literally just finished, I mean I just put the last journaling card in the last page and turned on the camera because I'm done. I just want to put this away and be done and not have to look at it again, because this was the hardest thing that I've had to do for a commission journal, because I know nothing about The Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, never seen it. Watched a recap video. So let's jump right into it. This is a little golden book. The person who asked me to make this wanted it for her sister, and I made her, I think that was last year, a 4th of July themed little golden book journal, and she wanted one reminiscent of that, but Nightmare Before Christmas themed. So we'll get right into it. On the front, I did use orange eyelets because there's orange pumpkins. I was going to do black, but I'm like, oh, I want to do the pop of orange. So the covers are the only thing with eyelets. There's also black pom-pom trim. I always keep the book, I have to spin these, hold on. I always keep the book in the journal, and I keep it in order. Okay? And these are big rings, huge rings. I think they're 3-inch. They're big. I had to steal them from one of my other journals because I didn't have any big enough, and then I bought replacements. But so this first page is just black with white pinstripes like Jack's suit, and then I wanted to represent Jack and Sally throughout as much as possible. So you'll see fake stitching lines. You will see patchworking, you'll see all that kind of stuff. Right here, these are pockets. These two right here are little pockets, so I just shoved some pieces of paper in there for journaling. Here's the big moon, and there's a big piece of paper in there for journaling. I had to add a spooky forest. I believe I did a few of these on camera, and I'm not sure which ones I did because it was ages ago. I'm not gonna lie, it was a while ago. Also, this is coming up very blue on camera. It is purple. I wonder if I can adjust the white balance and see if it changes to purple. Yeah, it's not changing to a good enough purple, but it is very purple on camera. Very purple. I mean, in life, not on camera. On camera, it's very blue. All right, and then I also added in just simple pages. Like this is just a pumpkin theme page and has pockets and journaling cards. I cut out, I think I did this one on camera because I accidentally cut out these trees and I didn't have room on that other page, so I just added them here. I also did a little paper clip that says Jack. You'll find, when I flip through, you'll see 3 of those throughout here. Another simple page with just pockets and little pieces of paper to journal on. This one, if you know, you know. Okay. And then just a piece of paper in the pocket. There you go. See, look, there's the tree with the tree on it. I should have put presents around the bottom, but let's be honest, I forgot. Gonna be honest here. And then some Christmas lights, and then you can just journal all around the Christmas lights. Here's a cemetery with a piece of paper tucked in. The back is a pocket, the front is also a pocket, but I only tucked into the back instead of tucking it in, but I believe the front is also a pocket. Yeah, see, but I only tucked paper into the back. And once again, you'll see the stitch lines and a lot of tearing of paper for layers. This one I love. It's little coffins with stitch lines and then inked to give it some depth. And then just simple pocket page with pieces of paper. I like this one. This is different torn edge pieces. This one's a tag, circles, rectangles. This is a circle that I cut to go up at the top, so that's a lot of journaling space. And once again, the stitched lines. And then more of the book. Here we go. Here's Zero's doghouse, and then a Zero paper clip, and I did one orange in the gold for his pumpkin nose. And then these, I like that I used the polka dot paper for grass. Made it look a little bit different. And then these are not pockets, these are glued down, but these two are pockets here. And then I used a cloud stencil for the background. Alright, this is one of my favorite pages. Here's the polar bear page. Look how good he looks. And then this is Tim Holtz grit paste for snow grit paste. This is also a pocket. I did not want to put anything in because I didn't want to cover the polar bear, but it is a pocket. And then these two are pockets. And then we have presents. These two are popped up on foam. The other ones are flat. I tied all of the bows. And then you can journal all the way up here. And then I just did a jack face, and you can journal on here. You can journal around his face, but I really liked just doing his face. And then I had to do, of course, Sally, and then another patchwork, and then here's the Sally, and I did it in patchwork. I did different beads, so it would look like patchwork, and once again, there's one little pocket, and I just put a piece of paper in. And then a nice plain page, and I added some orange pom-pom trim, some more book, and then all these are pockets, and I just threw papers in and just layered it so you'd have a lot of room for journaling. Santa page, and here's a slot pocket that I threw two pieces of paper in. Another plain page. We had to have Santa, so a plain Santa page. Do what you want with it. Here's the blackboard. Like I said, I did watch a recap. It was like a 5-minute long recap video, and the blackboard was in there, and I just think this came out adorably cute. And I found this sticker in a Christmas sticker pack. But look how cute that is. And this is a die that I cut out with this thin brown, like textured paper I got in a scrap pack from Walmart. This is also the Christmas paper, and then I just threw in a piece of paper to journal on and made a black pocket. You can also write on here in white gel pen, on here in white gel pen. And then just a dark floral to represent Sally, because she does, I believe, on one of the patchworks have floral. I believe. I don't remember. I'm going to be honest with you for that. And then I just threw in a piece of purple paper. And then, of course, we have the Easter Bunny. We had to have an Easter Bunny page. So I cut out just 3 bunnies here. And this one is like a stitched outline and the inside, and I popped the inside up to give it some dimension, and just threw in 2 pieces of scrap paper. Here we have this. This I cut out on my Cricut, and I don't even want to tell you how long it took to cut out. Okay. The Sally and Jack heads were also cut out on my Cricut, but this took forever because it's so intricate. It took forever. And then I just did a pocket and put a piece of gray paper in. Then you can journal here, here. You can journal in so many places. And once again, I brought in the stitches, and I did white on the black and black everywhere else. And then there's this page. This is, I don't know if you can see it, it's textured, okay? And it's painted with glow-in-the-dark paint. Okay. I threw in some bright green paper, black. This is an ode to Oogie Boogie. Is that his name? Or is it Oogie Boogie? I don't know. You tell me down below. How do you say it? I don't know. But stitch marks, black pocket, some bright green paper. Now we will come back to him. We'll see him again. But yeah, this is glow. There's glow-in-the-dark paint on both of these pages as a little something extra. This is actually the first page I did because I knew I had to let it dry. So it's been sitting there because it's at the end of the book, and it was the first page I did. Okay, here we go. And then once again, we're going to see him again. See, there he is. Look, see, he's a little bit textured. and he's got some stitch lines. So that's what I was hoping to accomplish with that page. And then we have this one. I cut this out on my Cricut, and then a black page with, I brought the green over, and then I just threw in an orange piece of paper. And then we have our snowflake page. So this is Christmas paper, and I used the wood grain snowflake to, where is it? Am I going to be able to find it? Probably not. Yes, it's right here. To replicate the Santa page. So I kept it with the wood grain, and then these are just snowbanks, and I threw, I almost called them brown, blue pieces of paper in. And then here's another just plain simple page. I used burlap to make the pockets. I used, this is corrugated paper that I cut out clouds with, and I just threw in blue pieces of paper for journaling. And this is the last page. Here you go. Isn't it so cute? It's so cute. I cut this out on my Cricut also, and look how cute it is. So I just took some darker, this is a base of light blue, I took some darker blue paper, I inked around the edges, and then I did stitch lines all the way across, and I added a blue pocket over here and just threw in a piece of paper. Look, it's just so adorable. I love this page. Love it. And then it just finishes off here. Oh, look, and look at, see? 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 So cute. And then I added gray pom-pom trim and orange eyelets. And that is it. I get to take this, and she actually also wanted this tag book that I made in another, this little tag journal I made in another video. She wanted this. So those two are getting sent off this week. And thank you guys for joining me. Okay, I hope you like this. Let me know down below what you think. How did I do for never have seen the movie? The most I know about Jack is from playing Disney Dreamlight Valley, and I kind of avoid him as much as I can. I'm not gonna lie. So you let me know down below, how did I do? Also, if you're ever interested in having me make anything, my email is always listed in my bio, and you can email me and I will gladly discuss with you what you would want made and make you whatever you would want. Anyway, please, if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.